Pixorien Z01, a portable 2K projector with a unique retractable design. The portable projector market continues to evolve with smarter, more travel-friendly devices, and the Pixorien Z01 is one of the latest products aiming to stand out. Instead of offering just another compact projector, Pixorien introduces an innovative retractable stand design combined with a built-in battery, Android TV functionality, and 2K projection. Currently available through a Kickstarter crowdfunding campaign, the Z01 promises a flexible entertainment experience for home, travel, camping, and business presentations. While its design is certainly eye-catching, does the Pixorien Z01 have enough features to compete with established portable projectors from brands like XGIMI, Nebula, and JMGO? Here's everything you need to know. Innovative, retractable design. The first thing that makes the Pixorien Z01 different is its telescopic mounting system. Instead of requiring a separate tripod or stand, the projector features an integrated extendable pole with a foldable base. This design allows users to quickly adjust projection height, ceiling projection, tabletop projection. Portable outdoor setup. The built-in stand makes setup significantly easier than many portable projectors that require additional accessories. Whether you're watching movies in bed or projecting onto a wall during a camping trip, the integrated mount adds considerable convenience. 2K resolution with 4K input support. Pixorien advertises the Z01 as a 2K DLP projector while also supporting 4K video input. Key display specifications include native 2K resolution, 4K signal compatibility, DLP projection technology, 16:9 aspect ratio, 60 Hz refresh rate, screen sizes from 30 to 150 inches, 1.2 to 1 throw ratio. Although it accepts 4K content, the projector displays it at its native resolution, which is common among portable projectors in this price category. Brightness performance. The projector is rated at 500 ANSI lumens, making it suitable for dark rooms, bedrooms, evening outdoor movie nights, camping, small meeting rooms. Like most battery-powered projectors, 500 ANSI lumens isn't designed for bright daylight viewing. Users will achieve the best picture quality in dimly lit environments or after sunset. Built-in Android TV experience. Unlike traditional projectors that require an external streaming stick, the Pixorien Z01 includes an integrated Android 12 operating system. This enables users to install streaming apps, watch online videos, access local media, browse content without connecting another device internally. The projector includes quad-core processor, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB internal storage. These specifications are sufficient for streaming and everyday entertainment, though they aren't intended for demanding multitasking. Large battery for portable entertainment. One of the Z01's biggest selling points is its 16,000 mAh built-in battery. This battery allows wireless movie playback, outdoor entertainment, travel-friendly operation, reduced cable clutter. For users who frequently travel or enjoy outdoor movie nights, eliminating the need for constant power access is a major advantage. Audio system. The Pixorien Z01 includes dual 5W stereo speakers. Bluetooth audio support. The built-in speakers should provide adequate sound for casual movie watching or presentations. Users seeking a more immersive audio experience can pair the projector with external Bluetooth speakers. Connectivity options. Despite its compact size, the projector offers several useful ports: USB 2.0, USB-C power input, TF, microSD card slot, wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi support, Bluetooth. These options allow users to play local media directly without always relying on internet streaming. Portable design. The projector weighs approximately 1.2 kilograms, 2.65 pounds, making it portable enough for backpack travel, camping, office presentations, hotel entertainment, family vacations. Its integrated stand further reduces the number of accessories users need to carry. Who should buy the Pixorien Z01? The Pixorien Z01 is designed for users who value portability without sacrificing smart features. Its compact body, integrated battery, and retractable stand make it an excellent choice for frequent travelers, students living in dormitories, digital nomads, and families looking for a convenient entertainment solution. Whether you're hosting a backyard movie night, delivering a presentation in a small meeting room, or watching your favorite streaming shows while camping, the Z01 offers a flexible setup that requires minimal accessories. Another advantage is its all-in-one approach. Since the projector includes Android 12, built-in speakers, wireless connectivity, and a rechargeable battery, users can start watching content almost immediately without connecting external devices. This makes it especially appealing for those who prefer a simple, cable-free experience. However, buyers should keep realistic expectations regarding brightness. Like most portable battery-powered projectors, the Pixorien Z01 delivers its best image quality in dark or dimly lit environments. For users primarily watching movies indoors at night or outdoors after sunset, its 500 ANSI lumens should provide an enjoyable viewing experience. Those needing a projector for brightly lit offices or daytime presentations may want to consider a higher brightness model instead. Pros: innovative retractable stand, built-in 16,000 mAh battery, native 2K DLP projection, 4K input support, Android 12 smart system, dual 5W speakers, compact portable design, multiple connectivity options. Cons: 500 ANSI lumens limits daytime performance. Manual focus instead of autofocus. Kickstarter crowdfunding means delivery is not guaranteed. Relatively unknown manufacturer compared to established projector brands. Kickstarter pricing and availability. The Pixorien Z01 is currently available through a Kickstarter crowdfunding campaign. Early supporters can back the projector starting at $299, with shipping expected around October 2026. As with any crowdfunding campaign, buyers should be aware that production schedules, final specifications, and delivery dates may change, and there is always some financial risk involved. Final verdict. The Pixorien Z01 introduces a refreshing take on portable projectors with its retractable telescopic stand, integrated battery, and smart Android platform. Its combination of native 2K resolution, 4K input support, dual speakers, and cable-free portability makes it an appealing option for travelers, campers, students, and casual home entertainment users. While the 500 ANSI lumen brightness means it performs best in darker environments, the overall feature set is impressive for its crowdfunding price. If Pixorien successfully delivers on its promises, the Z01 could become one of the more innovative portable projectors in its segment. However, since it is currently a Kickstarter project from a relatively new company, prospective buyers should carefully weigh the benefits against the inherent risks associated with crowdfunding before making a pledge.